this is the low profile intake and exhaust vent for your high efficiency water heaters. So if you have like a tankless water heater that requires like 2 pipes, you can either just do like a snorkel system, but you're gonna have like long pipes coming out of your wall. But if you want something low profile, then this is the one that you need. And if you're not familiar on how this thing looks like, let me show you how this thing works. So this one right here have one hole. You might be wondering where the other pipe will go. So the other pipe will actually go on this side right here. Basically how this works is this thing actually have a space on this side right here. So the pipe that goes here is going to be your intake, and it's going to pull all the clean air from the side of the unit. And then the exhaust is going to go on this side. Basically this thing will go straight out here. I've seen a lot of videos and some of them are installing it incorrectly. So you want to make sure that you install this thing properly, because if you don't, if let's say you put your exhaust right here and your intake here, it is going to work. But since you're blowing the condensed air right here, you're going to have a lot of water around here. And then you're going to end up with mold buildup right here and in your wall. So you don't want to do that. You always want to put the exhaust on this side right here that goes directly out. And if you look here, this particular one actually have a nice setup right here. So it tells you this is the air intake and this is the exhaust. So when you put this thing in, this is how it looks like. So again, when it's like this, the intake is not being shown here, but it's grabbing all the air from the sides of this unit, and then the exhaust basically just blows the air right out.